We enjoy getting out and, getting fresh air, exercise. I mean, from playing disc golf to going hiking in the mountains, all different types of things. We always enjoy time out away. I know I've been doing this with them since they were very young, and it's already become an expectation in their lives. When we do have time together, these are the kind of things that they want to do.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Travel Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we are making a black bean wrap. For this recipe you will need 1 whole wheat tortilla, half a cup of mixed greens, 1 small tomato sliced into strips, about 1/4 of a cup, half of a bell pepper cut into strips, 1/4 cup of corn drained and rinsed, 1/4 cup of black beans drained and rinsed, 1 tablespoon of bean dip or hummus. Start by spreading hummus evenly over tortilla. You can also try low-fat cream cheese, low-fat salad dressing, or salsa in place of hummus. Add mixed greens, bell peppers, corn, tomatoes, and black beans. The Otoe word for beans is unyi. Beans are one of the earliest cultivated plants. Along with corn and squash, beans are commonly referred to as the three sisters, because when planted near each other, they build on one another for best growth. Beans provide B vitamins, many minerals, protein, and fiber to the Native American diet. At 21 cents per serving for canned black beans and only 8 cents per serving for dried, beans continue to be not only a nutritious choice, but an affordable one. Wrap the tortilla over vegetables while folding the ends in. Cut in half and serve. Change it up! Each time you make this wrap could be a new combination of fresh and canned vegetables. This wrap can be served chilled and is a great option for a packed lunch or an on-the-go meal. This recipe makes 1 serving. Enjoy!